Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ, SPX, and Dow Jones. The intraday starts with NASDAQ on the 1 hour chart. As you can see, we are looking still for a potential A, B, and a C here in case we are still in a larger triangle. We got invalidation of the first time here for this triangle. The wave E is not allowed to take the wave C. Now, there is a probability, of course, of an ABC here that it can play in two major scenarios. Whether you are in a larger wave C for a triangle and then pushing for higher again, or you are in a larger still 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Otherwise, we are looking for the red flag here that we are looking for invalidation for all the bullish scenario, meaning the triangle and also the ending diagonal, of course. That means we are bearish. Okay, so we're looking for at least the 1 to 1. We're gonna see the reaction. If the reaction was very massive here, so W, X, and a Y to reach, of course, our red zone area here within the timing required, of course, for a wave to 0.3827K, meaning definitely first 28K is going to be taken in case of bearish, of course, the red flag, the invalidation, and that will register a W, and then we're gonna have an X, and then we're gonna have a wave Y to reach deeper, of course, for this correction, and then pushing for lower. Yes, it can break this zone and even reach deeper correction, which is the perfect level on the 4 hour chart here, where we might be looking at a deeper wave 2, which is of course the 0.618, meaning if we take the wave 1 2 here, so this is exactly what I'm talking about. So we can be in a deeper correction as well in W, X, and a Y, and then pushing for higher for this for this bear market right now. That was it for Nasdaq. If we go for SPX, which still have a higher momentum than Nasdaq somehow, the preserving the triangle that we had A, B, C, D, and a E, and still, of course, possible to push for higher in a wave 5, or in a diagonal 1, 2, and ABC for a wave 3, then 4 and a 5 to get a new all-time high, and then pushing down. So far, we cannot yet claim that we are very, very bearish. But of course, if we want to talk about Nasdaq and in confluence, well, okay, if Nasdaq is going to be bearish, so we have to take the scenario here as well as the same for SPX and consider our 0.38 should be taken as 7K over there. 15-minute chart as well. We're looking here for a potential impulse toward the downside where you have 1, 2, another 1, 2, wave 3 unfolding 4 and a 5 right now. This is the wave 5, and then another 4 and a 5 to continue the drop for lower. Would it be a wave E or a wave B? Well, still, of course, possible. So we're not yet done from the bullish or the sideways correction. We'll see what's going to happen, guys. For Dow Jones as well, Dow Jones, well, wow. Okay, a large gap here that we got for Dow Jones. Obviously, that this is the A, B, and a C expanding flat unfolding for 1.618 here. Very likely to hit our green zone where we are looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So I'm going to mark this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to reach a wave 2 here. And your wave 2 is in white scenario right now, and this is in blue. So wave C, we're gonna watch what's gonna happen because as we mentioned, taking this confirmation for higher is still, of course, playing there for something to push higher sooner or later. And that because we cannot really consider this as kind of like a 5 waves ending diagonal. Otherwise, it is an expanding diagonal. Also not allowed. Guess why? Because wave 3 is shorter than the wave 1, which is not allowed as well. So we have to take it as 1, 2, and then A, B, and a C, and then pushing for higher again. That was it, the intraday for the US stock indices. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.